How to invest $1,000 wisely. 5 smart ideas for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got $1,000 saved up and you're wondering, how can I invest this to make more money? You're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down 5 smart ways to invest $1,000, especially if you're just getting started. Listen, I remember when I first started investing. I was clueless. I wish I had someone to tell me these things back then. These options cover everything from low risk to high growth opportunities. So let's get right into it. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint I would follow if I was starting out again with just $1,000. Index funds and ETFs. Your simple path to investing. First up is a simple, beginner-friendly option: index funds or ETFs. These are like the cheat codes of the investing world. They're amazing, especially if you're new to this. They give you exposure to many companies without picking individual stocks. Think of it like buying a slice of pizza. Instead of just pepperoni, you get a bit of everything. You're buying a small piece of the entire market, making it safer. An S&P 500 index fund lets you invest in the top 500 US companies. That's like having a stake in the entire American economy. With just $1,000, you can get a diversified portfolio and watch your money grow. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Safety and liquidity. Maybe index funds sound too adventurous for you. That's cool, we've got options. High-yield savings accounts or CDs are smart choices for the risk-averse. I know savings accounts? That's boring. But they're safe, stable, and liquid. You can access your cash whenever you want. High-yield savings accounts are like your reliable friend. They steadily earn you interest. CDs are like a friend with a plan. You lock in a higher rate for a set time. It's like making a pact for a better rate. While returns may be lower, they're fantastic for accessible and safe money. Okay, let's say you're ready to dip your toes into the stock market, but $1,000 doesn't feel like enough to buy shares of companies like Apple or Tesla. Trust me, I get it. Those big-name stocks can be pricey. Well, here's where fractional shares come in. This is like the secret menu of the stock market. With fractional shares, you can buy a portion of a stock, even if the full share is super expensive. It's like buying a slice of a giant delicious cake that you couldn't afford on your own. You get to taste the cake, or in this case, own a piece of a company, without having to buy the whole thing. This means you can own a piece of Apple, Amazon, or Tesla without needing thousands of dollars up front. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and M1 Finance make fractional shares easy to buy. Seriously, it's as easy as ordering takeout these days. But remember, even though it's easier to buy, it's still investing. Do your research on the companies you're investing in. It's riskier than index funds but can have higher returns if you pick wisely. Now, this next investment strategy might surprise you, because we're not talking about stocks, bonds, or savings accounts. We're talking about investing in yourself. Sometimes the best investment you can make is in yourself. Forget Wall Street for a second, this is about you Street. Put that $1,000 into learning a skill that can increase your income. Think about it. What's something you've always wanted to learn? Maybe it's a course on investing, digital marketing, or a skill like coding, graphic design, or writing. The world is changing fast, and the most valuable asset you have is your ability to adapt and learn new things. Knowledge has a huge return on investment. It's like upgrading your brain from dial-up to fiber optic. Suddenly, you can process information faster, do more, and achieve more. With new skills, you can get a better job, start a side hustle, or even launch your own business. You could be sitting on a gold mine of potential, and all you need is the right tools to unlock it. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare offer tons of affordable courses that can take your earning potential to the next level. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the long game. If you're thinking long-term, a Roth IRA is one of the smartest ways to grow your money tax-free. Now, I know retirement might seem like a million years away, but trust me, it comes faster than you think. And when it does, you'll be thanking your past self for being smart with your money. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where the money you invest grows tax-free. That's right, Uncle Sam doesn't get a cut of your gains. And when you take it out in retirement, you don't pay taxes on your gains either. It's like a magical money tree that keeps on giving. With $1,000, you can start building for the future. You can use this money to invest in stocks, bonds, or funds within the IRA. It's like planting a seed in fertile ground. Over time, it'll grow into something much bigger. And speaking of growing, let's talk about compounding growth. This is the secret sauce of investing, and it's especially powerful in a Roth IRA. Over decades, compounding growth can turn that $1,000 into tens of thousands of dollars, or even more. And there you have it, 5 smart ways to invest $1,000. Whether you're looking for quick access, passive growth, or long-term planning, there's an option here that fits your style. Remember, investing isn't just about making money quickly. It's about making the right moves for your future. It's about taking control of your finances and building the life you want. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below with how you'd invest your $1,000. Let's start a conversation. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.